Okay? So, ganun tayo ka-importante mga bata. Alam niyo ba kung sino yung nagsalita kanina? Okay. Siya ang DSWD Regional Director ng Region 3. Okay? So, palakpakan natin muli mga bata. Ganun kayo kamahal ng ating Regional Director. So, bago po natin tawagin ang ating magbibigay po ng welcome address, let's acknowledge the presence of the Chairman of the Board ng Mabalacat City Cultural Association, Mr. Siegfried Ranyada. Palakpakan po natin. Nasaan siya? Okay. I-welcome din po natin ang mga representative ng Maharlika Artists and Writers Federation. Dito rin po sila to support our events. So, ngayon po ay nais natin ipakilala. We want to introduce to you the representative of our beloved City Mayor, Marino Boking Morales, to speak before us. His son, we welcome his son, Dwight Morales. Palakpakan po natin lahat para sa kanyang maikling pagbibigay ng inspirasyon sa ating lahat. At pagkatapos na magsalita, i-acknowledge rin po ang presence ng Son for All Children at ng St. Benilde College ng De La Salle University, Manila. So let's welcome the son of our beloved Mayor, Dwight Morales. Palakpakan natin muli.
Thank you very much, Pastor Ed San Agustin. A nice day to everyone, especially the organizers of this event, Children's Congress for Indigenous People. Chairman of the board is Mr. Robert T. Wagner. Is that you, sir? Board of Justice, Alma Aguilar. College of St. Benilde, represented by Marichelle Escalante. And Miss Paula Rojas. Son for All Children, represented by Miss Marilu Von Arts. Miss Relette Martobago, Miss Caspe, Sama Bajao, parent volunteer of Son for All Children, Miss Siti Aina Luna, Miss Mary Jan Sanawi, Miss Radsmina Tangeli. I am Dwight Morales, and representing my father, the Mayor of Mabalacat, Mayor Marino Boking Morales. And I am humbled by what these people are doing for our countrymen and country children. And it is refreshing to know and calming to know that someone or a group of people or a group of groups still care about what is happening to these children. And perhaps because of this event, I myself am becoming a bit more aware than I was before about the social ills that touch our nation, particularly here in Mabalacat. And with that, I promise to be part of this. Thank you very much.
Mga bata, pakinggan nyo ha, si Ninong. Dito na si Ninong, hindi lang po si Congressman Pacquiao ang Ninong, si Sir Robert ang ating Ninong.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing? You guys okay? Yeah? How about you? You guys okay? All right, well, thank you very much for coming this morning. Thanks, everybody, for coming. I'm glad that you're here. I hope you can understand my words, because I don't speak Tagalog very well, okay? But I want you all to know that the reason why we're doing this is not only to bring attention to the plight of the indigenous peoples in the Philippines, but more specifically, to show the country that the best way to improve the conditions of people living here generally is by enhancing the existing educational programs. And to do that, you take the schools that are already here and you make them better. Building new schools is one thing, but taking the schools that are here now and making them better is the way I believe the key to building a better future for the country. That's our goal. That's what we intend on doing in the future. And I'm putting my money where my mouth is. And I'm bringing a lot of other people over from the United States and Europe to do the same thing. So I'm sure that we'll be seeing a lot of each other in the future. And I know you'll be happy when I say that the commitment to the indigenous peoples of the Philippines and also all Filipinos is unending from the United States of America and other countries. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Wagner. And in an
Ang YDC Dance Ministry. Alright, so nandito na ulit si ating Jennifer at si Kuya June para entertain tayo lahat. Pwede tayo makaupo lahat, mga bata.
And form the heart and Mabalacat City and Samad Diolet.
From the heart of Mabalacat City, Samad Diolet. And welcome to the first event inviting of Children Congress
Here at
SFCD Congress
in celebration with the National Children's Month.
Thank you very much, please. Samahan niyo muna ako while we are waiting for this very momentous event.
Guest, Mr. Robert Wagner, Director of Robert Wagner Foundation. Sa ating mga partners na nandito ngayon, Pastor Edwin Villanueva, kay Pastor Agustin, Pastor. Pastor nandito yung ating mga bisita din from College of St. Benilde Center for Social Action, Miss Maricel Escalante, Mr. Paula Roas. Yan, palakpakan natin ang ating mga bisita. From Sun for All Children, Miss Marilo Von Arcs. Yan. Miss Rilette Mar Tobago. And Miss Aspe. At sa lahat ng ating mga staff, kasamahan sa Sama Badjao, ang ating mga staff sa Department of Social Welfare and Development, andito yung aming Division Chief from General Services Division. Andito rin ang head ng Standards Unit, Mr. Armand Piscina. Saan si Armand? At sa lahat ng mga bisita na nandito ngayon, mga kabataan, magandang umaga sa inyo, or Ahap Subo. Nasaan?
Ahap Subo.
Masaya ba kayo? Sino masaya dito? Magagaling ba kayo? Diba? Ano yung tema ng ating programa is Bata, Bida Ka. Naniwala ba kayong bida at lahat ng ating mga bata? Bakit bida? Dahil kayo ay mga magagaling na mga yun. Sino dito naniwala na magaling? O bakit yung hindi tumaas ang kamay, hindi ka naniwalang magaling? Magaling? Tingnan ko nga uli yung kamay. Yan, magagaling. Ibig sabihin, magagaling kayo lahat. At masaya kayo. Alasig, kamimon. Yan. Alam nyo, mga bata, kayo ay magagaling. Meron kayong acting kagalingan. Ano yung galing nyo? Isipin nyo, matalino kayo, magaling kayo, at mabuting mga bata. Bakit tayo may Children's Congress? Children's Congress ay para sa inyo yan, para ipaalam sa inyo na magagaling kayo lahat at may angking talino kayo, may angking kagandahan at angking kapugihan. Naniwala ba kayo? Sino dito ang gwapo? Oh, sa mga batang lalaki, gwapo ba kayo? O, taas nga ang kamay. O, taas ang kamay ng mga gwapo. O, di ba? Alam nyo, ang gwapo nyo. Yung magaganda, pakitaas ang kamay. O, hindi ayaw nyo, magaganda kayo. Alam nyo ba? Sa paningin namin, ng ating mga bisita dito, lahat nandito ngayon, kayo ay magaganda at pugi at gwapo, nagagaling pang mga bata. Kaya-kaya niyong sumayaw, di ba? Kaya-kaya niyong kumanta, kaya-kaya niyong mag-drawing, kaya-kaya niyong gumawa ng mga magagandang bagay. Kaya mula ngayon, isipin niyo, sa puso niyo, ilagay niyo na mga gwapo kayo, magagaling kayo, magaganda. Narinig niyo mga bata? At tingnan ko ulit, sino dito yung magaganda? Uy, bakit tayo tumaas ng mga ano? Sino dito magaganda? Oh, magaganda kayo. Ulitin. Sino magaganda? Eh, ba't tayo yung tumaas? Magaganda kayo. Ulit nga. Sino magaganda? Lahat kayo. Isipin nyo. Magaganda kayo. Sino dito pugi? Guwapo. Yan. Pwede bang pumalakpak na malakas ang magaganda at guwapo? Huwag niyong isipin na hindi kayo maganda, pugi lahat kayo, isipin nyo, magagaling kayo. Alam nyo ba, na pag nagsikap kayo, dito magagaling ang pinakamagaling na abogado, pinakamagaling na guro, pinakamagaling na social worker, pinakamagaling na doktor, at pinakamagaling na mayor. Nangangarap ba kayo? Yan ang pangarapin nyo. Maging magagaling kayong mamamayan ng ating bansa. Dahil lahat kayo, isipin nyo, may angking kagalingan ang bawat isa. Naniwala ba kayo? O, sana mula ngayong araw na to, maniwala kayo na magagaling kayo. Lahat sa mga pamilya, patuloy nyo lang sa mga magulang, patuloy nyo lang mahalin ang inyong mga anak, patuloy nyo pangangalagaan at isipin nyo, lahat ng mga batang to ay magagaling. Walang batang hindi magaling. Walang batang hindi maganda at hindi pugi. Lahat yan sila, mayroong kanya-kanya lang kagandahan at kapugihan. Kaya kayo, special kayo. Anak kayo ng Diyos. Sino dito ang iniwala anak sila ng Diyos? Yan. Pag naniwala kayong anak kayo ng Diyos, kayo ay magagaling, kayo ay maganda, kayo ay gwapo, kayo ay pugi. Isipin niyo yan araw-araw. Pag-gising nyo, isipin nyo, magagaling kayo. Bakit mayroon tayong ganitong gawain? Kasi para ipakita nyo yung kagalingan nyo at talinuhan nyo. Kaya isipin nyo, ano man ang sitwasyon ng bawat isa, isipin nyo, magagaling kayo. Sa mga magulang, patuloy nyo palakasin ang inyong pamilya. Huwag nyong hayaan na magkaroon ng ang anak nyo ng mga hindi tamang pangangalaga, kundi pangalagaan nyo ito dahil sila ang yaman ng ating bansa. Sila ang yaman ng inyong pamilya at isipin nyo, kayo ay mahalaga sa ating lipunan. kayo ay mahalaga kung saan kayong barangay nakatira. Meron kayong, ang mahalaga ay may pag-ibig ang bawat isa, may nagmamahalan at nagtutulungan. At sa ating mga partners, in behalf of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, maraming salamat sa inyo na patuloy na inaalagaan, patuloy na tinutulungan ang ating mga nangangailangan ng tulong. No? At sa araw na ito, maraming salamat din na mayroon tayong gawain. Ngayon, mayroon din sa Bulacan sa ating mga preschool children. At for Mr. Wagner, thank you very much for helping us with this activity. Palakpakan natin, Mr. Wagner, at ang other sponsors. Malaking tulong ang you have helped us and very much in this kind of activity, because this is one way of telling people that you are a very important sectors of our society, that they have the rights to, the right to participate in our society, and the right to be respected, to be given love, and to help them in whatever capacity, so that they will grow up to be a productive member of our society. So, maraming salamat sa pangalan ng Department of Social Welfare and Development, at we are looking forward that these children will become very successful children with your support and with our partnership. So let us continue our strong partnership for the welfare of these children and the families. So maraming salamat at pagpalain tayo ng buong may kapal. God bless to everyone. Magsukol kami mo.
Thank you very much to our Regional Director, Risa De
Thank you.
Galing. Sobra. Sabi nga ng mga artista natin, sobra. It fills my soul. No?
soul. What is memory shall remember you never. Your ancestral sins shall cry to the heavens on high, yes, for justice. Vengeance is mine, says the Lord. Vengeance is mine, says the Lord.
You record there in front
Vengeance is
of the
mine.
children.
Vengeance is mine, saith the Lord. Listen to the song, song. Listen to a sea song, a nymph song, sea nymph song. From a sea of world beats where your body desecrated was found lifeless. Your spirit will rise and go to the open seas boundless. And then she will dance, see gypsy dance. Truth will outdance, justice is at hand. Dance, kneeling for dance.